Babu 6-pack. Talk life.
Dear Northern Nigerian governors, we do not want bridge again. Mungaji gada, gadoji gada. Everywhere you go, everybody is doing flyover. Everybody is doing bridge. That is not a sign of development. Please build infrastructures, build factories, and did they swear for us that we cannot own factories in the north? We used to have gum factory in Zamfara. We used to have factories in the north. Now all of them have packed up. It's just building bridge. Is it a taboo for state governments to own get that processing plant where people can take their granules and they will come out with kwarere mangeda and seen a manene? Like, what's the problem? It's so embarrassing. We don't have good schools. Our children cannot speak good English. But our own is to be building bridge. I tagada and I fly over. In fact, it's even a thing of Anna Bagu, Anna, we are becoming proud. We are bragging about the numbers of bridge. Kano, we say we have the highest number of flyover. Adamawa State have joined them too, they have flyover. They did not swear for northern Nigeria. Please. Alex Oti has given you can do solar plants. You can do alternate power supply aside PHCN. You can do tractor renting facilities. Bring tractors and keep. And then people that want to farm can come and borrow tractors. You can build schools. You can do public-private partnership with individuals, well-meaning northerners that are willing to invest. Please leave this bridge alone. Without one bridge, Mungajibama so haba.